Hey guys, David here, founder of Superthread. So Superthread is a task tracker with tasks and docs together. That's very fast and simple to use. So before Superthread, I used to use issue trackers which were either too complicated and usable only by developers or too simple and didn't scale as the company grew. So I wanted to create something in the middle that's used by not only developers but by other functions in the company such as design, product management, marketing, sales, etc. So without further ado, let me show you around. Alright, let's imagine you have an idea, so you can quickly write it down by typing P on your keyboard and writing down the idea. Once that's done, you can hit enter and it will get saved as a page. Once it's saved, you can open the actual page and add more information to it. And now we have a spec page. Because we are creating a native Mac app, we can add a nice appropriate cover image. You can actually add inline comments and respond to them. It's a real nice and powerful way of collaborating with your team members. You can also collaborate by writing text together in real time, and you can see what they're typing at the same time. Once we're done, we can create a card for this by typing C on your keyboard. Once it's done, we can link the spec document to the card. Once it's done, we can go to the actual card, which is in product triage board, and we can prioritize it up to the actual roadmap board. Then we can open up the roadmap board and open the card, and we can adjust it in our timeline view. We can check the dates and add the tag. We can add child cards which live in their respective spaces, such as front-end, design, back-end, product, etc. If you make a mistake, you can easily move a card from one space and a board to another by just drag and dropping it like this. And then once you opened, you can actually jump quickly to the actual parent card and the child card and the parent card in an instant, 50 milliseconds. You can find everything by typing Command K. So you can find cards which open up instantly and pages, spaces, boards, or anything like that. Okay? Then you have the capability of moving the boards between different spaces by just simply drag and dropping them. You can also move them inside of the space, either in the toolbar or on the right hand side like this. You can do the same for pages, by the way, by just moving them up and down or right and left. And you can also move pages to different spaces and actually nest them. We also have favorites where you can favorite everything, and then we have the inbox from which you can work and do all your work. You can respond to comments there. You can basically just leave an inbox if you wish to. Okay, the other word they mentioned is views. Views are lists which you create by adding filters. So you can create any sort of a view with any sort of a list of tasks. And we also have the dark mode, which helps developers work more easily. Well, thanks very much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I'll see you next time.